Hey guys, I'm over in the airport in San Antonio on my way to take a trip, and we're going through the TSA, and I got built up pretty good. And what I'm hoping is that I can go back to the TSA entry point and see if maybe I can get her phone number. I can't help it. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do a little bit of recording. If I can't get her number, then at least I can get some video of her so I can just reflect on the moment that we had. So hopefully I'll get her number. Wish me luck, guys. Here we go. This is much better. Let's go to exit. Here.
Try not to take any of the monitors on the checkpoint, please.
Pardon me?
If you're recording, try not to take any of the monitors on the
Oh yeah, I know the rules.
Are you filming someone specifically?
Oh, no, yeah, hi.
Hi. I was just checking to see what's going on.
Oh, yeah, no. From here, it looks like she's talking to some people who appear to be management of TSA.
Are they still getting beat down on YouTube?
Pardon me. Oh, I'm sorry, pardon me. Let me know if I get in your way. I
do that
apologize.
all the time. Don't worry.
Right on. All right. Pardon me. Yeah, it's died down a lot, actually. Absolutely. All right, we're gonna go to another one. So in today's audit, it appears that they were kind of curious. There's a few people who didn't really know, but then they did what they were supposed to do. They talked to their supervisor, who I'm assuming informed them that it's perfectly fine for me to record, and everything ended up turning out to be just fine. Everything except for the lady. I never did figure anything out. It doesn't look like she remembered who I was, and I feel thoroughly used and abused. If any of you guys can help me get those digits, let me know in the comments. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this audit. Have a great day.